dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Hello everyone. So today we're going to be talking about the social media bill that is being sent, that has been sent to the National Assembly. The NBC wants to have the power, to have the act, the law behind them to be able to regulate and go after what people say on social media. They are more interested. They are more interested in regulating what people say about the government than talking about the fact that people are being killed in Nigeria, especially the northern part of Nigeria that has turned into a slaughterhouse all over the place. Let's just go through. So this is parallel facts. So they have this headline: social media regulation bill sent to National Assembly. NBC DG says. Remember, the NBC DG is the one that sent letter to Arise TV on the statement that Kenneth Okonkwo and Dele Farotimi had done, where they sent final warning to the Arise TV. I remember Kenneth Okonkwo also replied him. I'll drop the link in the description section, and so where he told him that, look, in the ad he's not aware of the law, they don't have the right to do that. Even the court had said that they don't have a right to fine media because that would be like gagging speech. And part of the things that we've seen, of course, maybe they're going back to go and get this law that would help them to regulate, to shut down voices, not just traditional media, but also social media. But let's go through and see what this report says. It says a new bill that aims to regulate social media in Nigeria has been submitted to the National Assembly by the government of Bola Tinubu. So meaning this is like an executive bill, I believe, because if it's coming from the executive, albeit in my own opinion an illegal one at that. So Tinubu is more interested in regulating social media than in protecting the lives and properties of people that are being killed anyhow in our country, especially in the northern part of the country. The bill is titled National Broadcasting Commission NBC Act Cap L11 Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004 Repeal and Reenactment Bill 2023. The bill proposes to overhaul the existing NBC Act to accommodate the transition from analog to digital broadcasting service, promote quality audio and video efficient management of the spectrum, Nigerian Broadcast Institute, and social media regulation. So that's the part that I'm sure really interests them a lot. The bill also seeks to empower the NBC to monitor and sanction any social media platform that is deemed to be in breach of the national security, public order, public morality, or public health. If you're really interested in the breach of national security, public order, public morality, and public health, I think the person who is fraudulently occupying the seat of the president is the one that should be taken out of that seat, with all the forgery cases and everything that has been going on against him. This was disclosed by Balarabe Ilela, the Director General of NBC, when he hosted Mohammed Idris, the Minister of Information and National Orientation, at the Commission's headquarters on Tuesday. Ilela described the ills of social media as a monster that needs to be tamed by the law. So the voices of the people, they need to tame the voices of the people. Right now, even with the killings that have been going on in Nigeria, especially in the northern part of Nigeria, there's a media blackout. Nothing is being said about it. It's only on social media that you get to see some of these things, atrocities that are happening. So they want to put a blackout on the social media so that people won't talk. People are afraid. You say one thing, they pick you up, they sanction you, or they will sanction you, or they will take you to jail or arrest you or any of those things. Well, personally, for me, they better be ready. The jail, no problem. Who is afraid of being in prison? Who is afraid of going to jail? What I personally am afraid of is not saying the truth when I say the things that need to be spoken about, how we talk about it. And the corruption of government must be spoken about. The inability of Nigerian government must be spoken about. The illegality of the person who is currently occupying the seat of the president must be spoken about. The forgery case of Bola Ahmed Tinubu must be spoken about. Everything that is wrong with the nation must be spoken about. And government should focus on ensuring that they give good governance, they are accountable to the people and transparent to the people, rather than trying to shut down the voices of the people so they do not talk about the wrong things that they are doing, the bad things that they are doing, and the ills that they are doing. According, Ilela continued and said that we have already submitted a bill to amend the act. One of our major problems now is social media, and it will continue to be their problem because social media has been focused on speaking about the atrocities in government, the corruption in government, the bad governance, and the lack of development and things that are going. They can muzzle the regular media, they can traditional media and all of that. They can't muzzle social media. One of the things they don't understand is that a lot of Nigerians who are actually on social media who are speaking don't even live in Nigeria. So how are you going to regulate them? You stop Twitter. They did that before. We simply use VPN. And that's it. Speak we must, and that's it. A lot of countries, when they're talking about regulating social media, is to protect citizens from bullying on social media, is to protect citizens from being harmed on social media. But what we have in Nigeria mostly is for them, what they normally try to do is admin protection. They want to protect the administration. They want to ensure that nobody is speaking about the bad things that the government is doing. They want to muzzle everybody. They want to shut everybody's voices down. Well, sorry, they can't shut our voices down. So just to say, we've already submitted the bill to amend the act. One of our major problems now is social media. Unless there is a law that allows NBC to act on social media issues, the issue will continue to be a monster in our daily lives in this country, he said. He also said that the commission has the power to sanction any broadcaster that violates the act establishing NBC, but added that the commission prefers to negotiate and educate rather than punish. They don't have the power. The courts have already stated they don't have the power to find a media whose guests come in and speak. I mean, and that the other time when the NBC was saying that when they are doing live program that media houses should have a delay mechanism. So what they are not saying is that their live should not be beamed live, so they delay it, and then so that maybe some few seconds or minutes or whatever, so that if there's any speech that somebody has said, they can cut that. Can you imagine? You can't gag people. Whatever act that the NBC puts together, whatever it does, whatever it puts out there, one of the things that is very important for everyone to note is that the Constitution supersedes everything. It's more than any other thing. So whatever it is that they're putting out there, whatever it is that they're putting, it's just going to be nonsense. As long as the Constitution guarantees freedom of speech, I'm going to speak my truth, I'm going to speak my facts, I'm going to speak what I want to say, and I'm going to treat what I'm going to say. I'm going to put it out there on my social media accounts. If anybody feels that they have anything that I have said that wrongs them, yeah, they can take it on. But the NBC has no right in any way whatsoever to regulate what I'm saying. And if there are people who pass on fake news or disinformation or anything, there are already laws that take care of that. This NBC looking for a way to gag people, it's not gonna happen. Sorry. Maybe they think everybody lives in their backyard in Nigeria, that they can intimidate the way they probably do with people around them. We have powers. The Ilela continues, so we have powers. We derive our powers from the acts, and we have the powers to sanction stations. We don't want to sanction. We prefer to bring them together for negotiation and understanding. He revealed that in 2023, a total of 1,238 warnings were given, while 6 different stations were penalized. Can you imagine? That is somebody's achievement. That's what this Ilela, he really should be ashamed of himself. You know, all of these people, stomach infrastructure, these people who just come in and want to be slaves, want to remain slaves. So at the end of the day, when his tenure is done, what will he be remembered for? That he was sanctioning TV stations and radio stations and penalizing them. That's all he wants to be remembered for. The information minister commended the NBC for its efforts and urged it to work with the media so that they do not see the commission as punitive. Do you know, as I was reading that, in my head I'm thinking, who the heck is even the information minister? Honestly, I don't even know. Please, if you know, if you watch this end and you know, put it in the comment section. Let's know who is even the minister. You know, sometimes when people slave over these appointments and do all sorts of things, and I'm thinking, what did they really get from all of these things? If you're not going to be there and make a difference, that 100 years from now, Nigerians that will be talking about you, then why are you taking the position if you won't make a difference in people's?
So if you did right, wanna still leave una comment below. If you did bad, wanna still leave una comment below. Una remember, say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So if you did watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.